If you're looking for a Dewalt style miter saw, but you don't want to have the Dewalt price, I've got a solution for you. This right here is actually almost 1/3 the cost of a Dewalt miter saw. And what I mean by Dewalt miter saw is it uses the existing 20-volt batteries right here. This is the Dewalt 5 amp hour. It's got an extra blade with it. It came with the wood. It's the 8 1/4 blade, and it's the 40 tooth, but it had a blade already installed on it. You can see how the blade's installed on it. Now to assemble it, I had to put a few things together on it. It was very simple. I had to put these handles. Didn't have to do much, and you get a tool for that. You get a little wrench for that right there and some wrench adjustments. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show y'all. I've actually already done some cutting. Look how clean that cut is right there. I'm going to show y'all using this thing and how easy it is to kind of like set this thing up and use it. If you've ever used a miter saw, you'll kind of know what's going on one of these things. In the instruction manual, it goes over how to change the blade and some of the kind of precautions and all that. See this little knob right here, this little thumb screw? That's what makes it do this. If you want to lock it into place, say you want it just like a chop saw right there, tighten that down, it doesn't move. Now mine's not screwed down. How crazy that it's a portable miter saw. So you can pick this thing up, put it on the bed of a truck. You could screw it down real quick with some like wood screws if you just want to put it down and you're working a job site or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys cutting several styles of lumber. I got a 2x4 here, little piece of plywood, and I think that's a 2x2. So we'll cut each one of these with the miter saw, and I'll show you how well this thing cuts. So you want to get some safety glasses. I use these Dewalt style safety glasses. Put these things on. All right, so I do have that on. Then you want to put some gloves on. So I've got that on, and what we're going to do, this right here is made to hold down the wood once you put it in there. This right here is what I'm going to use to adjust it. If you want to adjust your angle, I'm at 0 right there, but I will cut an angle one. You tighten that down, and right here, if you want to have a stop, if you don't want to go down so far, you got an adjustment there. There's some adjustments right here if I want to adjust these things. So there's actually a lot of adjustments to this thing. You're going to use the Allen key, loosen that up, and you can change your angle from 0 to 45 on that. And then over here, you can go 0 to 45 left, 0 to 45 right. You've got a light. This thing has a little LED light down here. So it's got a lot of features on it. It's got a locking handle right here. You can see that. It can be used either way. That's right hand. Here's left hand. To put the battery in, I recommend using at least a 5 amp hour at the smallest. Don't try to use a 2 amp hour. You could get by with it, but you want to use at least a 5. Hear that slow? The thing is, obviously, it's not like an electric one where it just poof, but it has the convenience of moving it around and kind of setting it up anywhere you want. So let's go ahead, let's get some boards in it, and let's set this thing up and let's do some cutting. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's do the little piece of plywood first here, everybody. So it's locked in right there. Get it started. No problem at all. That worked out perfect. Loosen that up. Let's try to do it just freehanding without this bracket right here. That's awesome. That was easy. Yeah, I don't see any issues with that at all. It cut that 2x2 very easy. I don't want to waste all my lumber on this, everybody. Now let's go an angle on this board. We're going to do a 30-degree cut. No problem at all on a 30-degree cut. That cut it very smoothly. Then if you want to go even further, see how you can go back the other way, go that way, and then tighten it down. That worked out great. I don't see any issues with that. And if I want to move these around, I can adjust right here. I don't see any issues with this saw at all. I think it's a great option for anyone that's just looking for a good, affordable option to a Dewalt saw that uses existing Dewalt batteries. That is crazy how well that works, and I still got full battery on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, brushless Dewalt compatible miter saw.